This video did not go as expected. I'm beginning to notice a trend with these videos, but I really didn't expect things to take the route they did. A local cop asked me to scout out this road, as I know it's used often by ATVs and side-by-sides, but he didn't think a truck would survive attempting it. I had some time off on Tuesday and planned to explore the route then. But I happened to be passing by here on Monday afternoon, so I thought I would stop by and do a little pre-recon recon. I had no intention of filming this, but I happened to have my camera gear in the truck, and, well, I couldn't resist. This spot is so cool. And believe it or not, this is a public road in New Jersey. The thermometer on my dash told me it was 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and I was working up a sweat, battling mosquitoes and clearing rocks and tree trunks off the road. So I stopped to get something to drink out of the fridge. And after a quick break, I was back at it. I got pretty deep into the route, and it wasn't too bad, just some pinstriping. But I got to a point on the track where I decided to quit while I'm ahead. I can come back tomorrow with the Xterra and a chainsaw. Coincidentally, before the road started to look tough, there was a wide open spot where it seems a lot of people have turned around. So I started on my way home, and then I had an idea. I should get the drone up. I found just enough space in the canopy for the drone to fit. I finally got to a place where the canopy opened up and I could land the drone. And just in time, because I've been flying for about 20 something minutes, and that battery was getting pretty low. Now what you see here is me attempting to land the drone as it decided to return home, ignoring my inputs and trying to land where it took off. I had no way to override this. The video feed stopped here, and the drone was never to be seen or heard from again. It was a very quiet ride home.